Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. And we're going to solve Leetcode daily challenge, problem number 1431. Kids with the greatest number of candies. So it is one of the simplest problem I have ever seen on Leetcode, in which we are given an array with number of candies each kid have, and we have a few extra candies with us. Okay, so what we have to figure out is if these extra candies is given to any kid, okay, does it ends up having the maximum number of candies among all the other kids? Okay, so we have to return array of true or false, basically booleans. True when after adding the extra candies into what he already has, if it results into the maximum number of candies, we will turn true. Otherwise, false. So what I'm going to do is we will first figure out the maximum candy from the given array. Okay. And after that, we will just simply iterate through each element of this particular array and we'll add extra candies into it. And at the same time, we will check if this adds up to being greater than the maximum of the array. Okay. So it's going to be a simple two-line solution, I would say. Okay. So let's move towards the solution. Okay. So first thing first, I wanted to figure out the maximum, right? So I'll just simply use the max, and we wanted to find maximum from Candies array. Next is I wanted to return an array of true or false. Okay, so what we wanted to do, we wanted to run our loop on candies, right? For candy and candies. Okay, that's done. Next thing is we wanted to check or we wanted to add extra candies into my candy. Candy plus, or let me just copy paste this, plus extra candies. If sum of these is greater than or equal to maximum, then we want true. So basically, we are comparing two numbers in this particular line or in this particular piece of code, and this will basically return true if the condition satisfied and else if not. Okay, so let's just check out the test cases. And yeah, so the test cases are clear. Let's submit for the evaluation. Awesome. So the solution got accepted, and I would say like we have performed really well. We have outperformed around 80% of the template solutions. So yeah, thanks, Anya, for watching over the video. Stay tuned for upcoming ones. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you.